Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this phone without actually touching it. So on another device, go to your Chrome browser and type in find my device. Tap on the first link and you will find your devices here. Select the device that you want to factory reset. Make sure it's the same Google account logged into the device that you want to reset, and then tap on factory reset here. Tap next, reset, and just erase everything. And this happens. It's starting to reset the other device. There you go. We can just fast forward this. Okay, reset successful. You just need to set up the phone as a new phone.